If you are having issues with your memory, you are finding it hard to remember, to recollect, this tiny black seed and honey will be a solution to your problem. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mix the two items to get a good result. Grind a little quantity of Kalonji seeds, like 10 grams. Pour into a glass bottle with cap. Then add honey and mix. Once it is well mixed, close the bottle with the cap and then store either in the fridge or on your kitchen table. It doesn't get spoiled. Take a teaspoonful every morning before breakfast and you will notice a tremendous result. You can also use it on your children when you notice they are not performing well in school. It helps to improve their intelligence. This recipe is very easy to prepare. It only needs 2 ingredients: Kalonji seeds and the honey. To prepare this recipe, pour some grams of Kalonji seeds into a grinder and grind until it reduces to small particles. Then pour into a glass bottle. Add honey and mix. Close and store. You can store in your fridge or in any safe place in your kitchen. Take 1 teaspoonful every morning before breakfast. It also helps to boost children's memory and makes them more intelligent.